Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing fairly well. So in this video I'm going to make a tutorial, or you can say it is a full guideline about how to clear browsing history in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. Perhaps you may thinking that you want to clear your history by chance. So how you are going to do it? So that for reason you need to follow some steps. So let's dive into the steps. So here you can see the three dot. Just click over here. Once you click over here, a pop-up will become to your interface, and here you need to be scroll down and find out setting option. Just click over here, and once you click over here in the setting, it will redirect to a new tab. Here you have the option for privacy and security. Just click over here, and now in this platform you can see in the privacy and security category, in this section we have this browsing data deleting option. Just click over here, and now you can select the time range, like if you want to delete history last hour, if you want to delete all time, it will, like you have, or you are allowed to do whatever you want. It's totally up to you right now, and the process was really easy. If you think this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.